Let us introduce you to the InkOne PT7, a versatile heat press that will take your customization projects to the next level. The front control panel displays temperature and time, allowing you to adjust the settings for optimal pressing. Thanks to its automatic opening system, you'll work quickly and efficiently without the risk of overheating. Adjust the pressure of the press comfortably according to the thickness of your products. And with its sliding lower platen, placing your garments has never been easier. The InkOne PT7 is designed with a system of optional interchangeable platens, available in different sizes and shapes, so you can use them for various types of products. Use the round platen for circular products such as clocks, photo frames, or plates. Its size and shape not only help you position the product but also ensure that pressure and temperature are evenly distributed across the entire area, reducing the risk of uneven edges in your designs. The 18x38cm platen is ideal for bags or other textile products, ensuring that pressing does not leave marks on the edges or fabric. One of our greatest innovations is the interchangeable base for shoes, which allows you to press the sides of all types of sneakers. Its ability to press two sneakers at the same time makes your production faster and more cost-effective. Who said there's an impossible garment? Although the 18x45cm platen can be used for many types of products, we believe it's perfect for customizing all kinds of pants. You just need to insert the base inside the pants to press the fabric without any wrinkles. And as if that wasn't enough, here comes the cap base. Personalize the visor on both the interior and exterior, creating endless design possibilities. Knowing how demanding you are, this base allows you to customize up to 4 caps at the same time. In just seconds, you'll have your entire production ready with outstanding profitability. Make every print perfect with the InkOne PT7. Additionally, you can also purchase the T-shirt platen, which will help you adjust your designs quickly. And as if that weren't enough, its design even allows you to engrave your own labels on the interior area. We love making your life easier. Whether you're customizing T-shirts, accessories, or special products, the InkOne PT7 is ready for any challenge. At InkOne, we offer comprehensive solutions for customization and provide a complete set of resources to help your business take off quickly.